Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can add a music bot to your Discord server. Even as a complete beginner, guys, it is mind-blowingly simple. For example, if you'd like to have some music playing in the background while having a voice chat or conversations with your friends on Discord. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So obviously you will need to launch the Discord application on your device. And you will also need your own Discord server to gain access to the channel owner settings. So guys, if you have already done that, access your server by clicking on it here in the top left corner. After that, click on that arrow down icon here next to your server name and select server settings from that drop-down menu. After that, head over to your app directory here to the left, and here in the app directory, use the search bar here in the top right corner and search for an app called Greenbot, just like that. Now select that search entry below, and after that click on add app here to the right. After that, this window will pop up for you where you'll be given the opportunity to add the Greenbot application to one of your servers. So click on that arrow down icon here and select the server you would like to add the app to. Click on continue, and on the next page click on authorize here, and that's basically it. After that, head back to your Discord server, join a voice channel in your server here to the left. And here in your text channel, for example, in a general text channel, give the Greenbot application the command /play and then simply enter the name or the title of the track you would like to play. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to play Moves Like Jagger, for instance. Press enter, and there you go. As you can see, Greenbot will, after a brief moment, start playing the given track in your voice channel here on Discord so that all of your teammates or channel members may listen to it while having a conversation with you. You may, for example, click on stop or on pause here to stop the music. Now, obviously, due to copyright issues, I'm not going to play that music here aloud. So guys, that's basically how it works. You may repeat the same process and add as many tracks as you like to your queue here on Discord by giving the Greenbot the command /play and then by entering the title of the music track. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.